Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. This is the Blue Mosque in Istanbul, built in 1616, and this is an obelisk from Egypt, which is very beautiful. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is the weekend, so volume has been dropping off, so we're going to monitor it closely, but that is expected on the weekend when the ETFs are closed, so I'm going to wait till they open before making any decisions. But in my opinion, we're good to go. There's a lot of buying volume, there's a lot of anticipation about Elon and Trump and what they can do with the markets. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see my account now hitting 1258, near all-time high this week from 1029, so up about 220 this week. This month up from 751 to 1258, so 500k this month, 500k in 1 month, which is amazing. And my account now VIP level 4, and it's connected to my debit card for easy spending, which is beautiful. You can see my Ethereum trades, which I activated at 3033. No, because I switched to the new unified trading account, it's now, you can't see that trade, but you can see they're active. 56k on Ethereum, 748 on Sundog, 31,000 on World, 44,000 on Bitcoin. And the funding fees on Ethereum, not so bad, 0.04. Sundog is a bit high, 0.07. Bitcoin one is 0.03, not bad at all considering. And now the fund, I paid about 6,600 on this Bitcoin trade because it is $751,000 trade. It's up 44,000. Ethereum trade, $4,000, 55,000 profit, 203,000. World, it's a $50,000 trade, $31,000 in profits, which is amazing. I used $12,000 to make $31,000. And you can see my trades all here, which is beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. The market right now, Tesla was up on Friday, up 5%, which is huge for a tech stock, let alone one of the biggest. Uniswap up 3%, Meta was up 2%. The rest of everything is quite almost even. Bitcoin sitting at 99,440. Let's go into, on the weekly charts, you can see this is Bitcoin on the weekly. Crypto Guru bought fired a blue buy in February 2023 at 20k. It's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin, and we've got about 12 hours left on the week. Bitcoin indicator bought fired a buy 5-6 weeks ago, and it's still a buy now. It flipped to a sell on the drop down to a 90k, but then flipped back. On the daily chart, we're still in this channel. You can clearly see Bitcoin is climbing. 99k, 90k, 105k, 95k. Now, where would I open a trade on Bitcoin? On the daily stochastic, the volume dropped off the last 2 days, but it is the weekend, but a lot of volume drop off actually. And then Bitcoin dropped today down to 98,600 and then bounced back. No major patterns here. I would still try to take the trade on a pullback to this support line, opening 96,429, stop loss 94,300, and take profit 119k. Risk to reward is 11 times, risking let's do it a bit less risk. Pull it onto a major support, which, I mean, it wicked down all the way here when I activated at 90,000. I would keep it there, but I would just put less liquidation, like less cost. So it cost 1,800 for this trade for $23,000 of profits with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 230k. That's what the trade I would take on Bitcoin. But you can see the last few days the volume has been dropping off, and that's something to worry about. When the volume drops off, that's not good. However, again, the ETFs are closed, so we will monitor it closely, but that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 3968. On Ethereum on the weekly, we've got this big symmetrical triangle breaking out, builds pressure and breaks out. The base of the triangle target is 7,500 on the longer time frames. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy just recently, 2 weeks ago, which is amazing. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy about 5 weeks ago, and it perfectly fired a buy back down here at 2,400. The volume on Ethereum isn't like Bitcoin. The volume on Ethereum is growing, but the last 2 days you can see on the weekend the volume did drop off like Bitcoin. It's in this channel, it broke out, but it is pulling a little bit back in. But you can see this yellow line is where this one here is the big symmetrical triangle on the weekly. You can see Ethereum came to 4,095 and then pulled back to 3,900. If you're waiting to take a trade, I'd still take it off this yellow support because that's the main trend line. 3836, stop loss 37, risking $131 per Ethereum to make 3,700. Target 7,500, risking $131 to make 3,700. With 10x leverage, it'll be $37,000. Which is beautiful. Let's also check out World, because I've got a big trade on World active, $3.70. On the daily, let's go into the weekly. Weekly time frame, we pumped all the way to $4.10. Volume is growing on World, and that's good to see. What I'm looking for is volume to keep growing. When volume starts to drop off, that's when I get worried. On the daily, volume still strong on World, and it's still heading up. To take a trade on World, I would take it from that major support area, which is now actually, I would say the support now is $3.20. So if you're looking to take a trade on World, I would wait till it pull back to $3.20, tight stop loss, and take profit. I mean, in March, it went all the way to $12 without much price discovery, like without much reason. And I think it can do that again. Sam Altman is the founder of OpenAI and World. This is the trade I'll take on World. Opening 329, stop loss at, I would say 310. So risking 21 cents per World to make, so it's 255%, 40 risk to reward ratio. Every dollar risk, $40 gain, which will be great. That's the trade I would take on World. The gray line is where the trade opens, as I teach you in the Crypto Masterclass, and the red line is where the stop loss hits. And my team is going to pick a winner for $1,000 from this competition. So anyone who bought the courses recently in all these since Black Friday, anyone who bought the courses, and still today will be the last day, someone's going to win $1,000 from anyone who bought the courses and used the 40% discount code deal. So anyone that used that code will go in the chance to win. Also, Bybit has $1.2 million of prizes. If you go down below, you can sign up to Bybit using this link down below. 60K bonus, my favorite exchange for trading. In my opinion, the best liquidity and the best exchange. If you lost money or you're having liquidation spikes or high fees, Bybit is my favorite. Weex, $200 sign up on bonus on USA, UK, and Australia. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And join us in the Telegram as well. You can see here, there is 400 of you online in the Telegram. People discussing Toncoin, 60-minute interview, up or down. I think we're going to go up because on the weekend, a lot of people are voting down, 62%. Interesting. Join that conversation, 709 of you online, sharing Ton, etc. And don't forget, follow me on X as well, because I always give away gifts on X and on 95,000 followers on X. Anyone who reposts the above message, I'll choose the winner for $200 in 24 hours. So I'm going to pick one winner now for $200 who reposted this post. So I'm going to go to see, so view post interactions, people who reposted it. These are the people that reposted it. A lot of you. So I'm going to just randomly pick the winner for $200. Okay, I'll load it all up. Ready, set, and the winner is Zeltron. Zeltron, congratulations. Congratulations on winning the $200 in my video. Thank you for supporting my posts. My team will contact you. Congratulations, $200 for you, USDT, just because he reposted. You can see here, this was my trade on Bitcoin where I added 2 Bitcoin on that dip. And look where it added, 90,530. It added 2 Bitcoin. Now my trade on Bitcoin is 8 Bitcoin. You can see here, now my Bitcoin trade is 8 Bitcoin. It added those 2 Bitcoin. It's $44,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. I'm going to pick actually another person on Twitter just because my Bitcoin trade is so beautiful. I'm going to pick anyone that just commented, the last person that commented on something. Congratulations, Preslin. Congratulations. You win $100 for supporting my posts, which is beautiful. Thank you very much, Prislaw. And I'll pick one more person. The next one. Good luck. Anyone that reposts above post, I'll choose a winner for $200. He just posted a few minutes ago. Congratulations on winning $100 for he posted on this $200. Okay, I'll give you $200 because so I gave 2 people $200 and one person $100. Congratulations on winning $200 for supporting my posts. Make sure you're commenting on all my posts And also in the Telegram, I'm going to randomly pick winners. So I just gave away a few $100 in prizes, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell so I gave away $200, $200, $100, so $500 worth of giveaways, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to go explore this amazing Istanbul. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.